Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I am at Walmart. I feel like I'm always on there. Like, these fools see me so much. Like, they always be asking me, do I do Instacart? Is it wrong that I say yes? I feel better saying that, yeah, I do Instacart. Yeah, that's why I'm here every single day. That's exactly why. I don't know why it makes me feel better saying that, but I had like 6 receipts yesterday, and the guy was like, "Oh, you do Instacart?" I was like, "Yeah." I should say I do Shopkick. Have you tried it? But dude, I be here all the time. It's dead eye. And it's gym, Walmart, gym, Walmart. That's what I do. Gym, Walmart. I go to the gym in the morning. I come over to Walmart. So it's a habit. It's what I do. You know, I check to see if any rebates reset, and if they have, I shoot over here early and I get it done. So this is a Shopkick video because a lot of you guys have asked me questions about Shopkick, and I always say that my rebates reset a lot. All right, they reset, and a lot of you guys say yours don't, or how do you know if it's reset for you or not? I'm gonna show you how, you guys. Super easy. So from your app, let me make sure I got my screen recorder going because this will make it easier. Okay. Yeah. All right. So from the Shopkick home screen, and the only reason why you see a bunch of points there is because I just literally just got that and I'm about to cash it out like right now. All right. So, actually, yeah, I'll do it after this. And so from our home screen, right, we're going to click Walmart because we're at Walmart. We already discussed that. From this page, so this page right here tells you all of the rebates that are available. Well, yeah, basically tells you all of the rebates that you can do. It tells you all the ones that are available, right? All of mine's have reset. Let me see something. See, okay, so the Dove Men Care, it's on here, but when I go to submit, the submit page, it's not there. So that's why you can't really rely solely on this page. It's good for screenshots though. Like, I gotta tell you that. It's good for screenshots. Let me see what else. All my rebates reset. Okay, all of them. Only ones that are not on here anymore is what? No, they're all on here. They're still all on here. So this is the page that tells you what you can do, basically. It's telling you what you could do. All right, so the way that you really know what you can do is by clicking the receipt tab, all right? The claim your kicks page. This is the page that tells you what you can and what you cannot do. All right, some things you may see on the other page that you won't see here. That's why this is the page that's most important. All right, let me see if that Dove is on here for the Dove hair. Because I don't think it is. I think I've already maxed that one out. Let me see. Did I pass it up? Dove lotion. I think it would be right there. No, it wouldn't. It would be right here. So it would be right here with hair. So as you can see, it was on the other page saying that I could do it, right? But it's not on this page. So that could be a problem for some people. Like, if you rely on that first page, you can go out doing a deal, and then when you go to submitting, you're like, oh crap, it's not there, thinking that it just disappeared. No, it wasn't there. It's on the original home page, but it's not on the actual submit your receipt or claim page. So you want to go based on this page here. This is the page that matters the most. All right. So whenever I'm checking to see which rebates have reset, this is the page that I'm checking. I'm going in as if I'm submitting a receipt. All right. So on this page, all of my rebates have reset. The Axe reset from yesterday or 2 days ago, I want to say. Pronamel, Sensodyne reset. I did the Soylent yesterday. I didn't mention it in the video, but I did do it because I had overage from the Revlon. And so I went ahead and just grabbed that. And then what else reset? A lot of you guys are saying the Bud Light Next was right there in your face, hiding in plain sight. I said it might be right in my face, but it's probably not. But it was like, I don't know. Let's see, the Shea Moisture Dove reset for me. I haven't done the Shea Moisture. I've only been doing the Dove. And the kicks went up to $12.50. I think it started off at like 700 kicks. It went to 1,000, and now it's $12.50. So I'm gonna do that today. But basically everything for me has reset. The snuggle went down, and yeah, everything else is here. So yesterday when I did my deal, I actually didn't have the rebate for Dove Men Care body wash, so I tried the natural one to see if it would work, and it actually did. So that's what I'll be doing today again, and I'll show you guys too that it went straight through. But Vaseline is there again for me to do, and then the Dove deodorant for men and women is there. So everything for me has reset. You're gonna know based on this page. If you're just relying on that first page, you're kind of low-key being a little misled because it's not really 100%. This page here is 100%. All right, so that's how you know if you can do it again. Another question you guys asked me about was the location, how to change the location, and can you change the location? All right, yes you can. Really quick, yes you can. For me, I have a store that's further from me, and it actually sometimes will have more rebates. So I'll change the location and see what's available, and then I can submit my receipt. I can actually buy it from this store and then change the location and submit it for the other store, if that makes sense. But you can change your location. From the home screen, we clicked on Walmart. We're going to click on it's going to automatically default you to the store you're closest to, which is the Armagosa one for me. We're going to click that. And then see at the bottom where it says see more stores, click see more stores. And then this allows you to change it to a different location. All right, then you can just change it. I'll change it to the main store, which is literally right here. So now it says the main store. All right, so that's basically how you change your location, but you can change your location. Again, some stores have different, offer different things. Like I noticed that a lot of times you guys might have a rebate on Shopkick that I won't have, but if I change my location to a store that's down the hill from me, because I'm in the high desert, it might be like 30 minutes away from me, it will be available there. Now I haven't actually tried changing the location that far yet, but maybe I'll try that and see if it works and let you guys know if that works or not. But I've only tried changing my location to a store that's pretty close to me, not 30 minutes away. And so, yeah, so the most part, my rebates do reset like every day. And I think that's the thing I love most about Shopkick is that they do reset every day. Like a timestamp type of reset where with Ibotta, it's a timestamp. Like if you submit your receipt at 9 o'clock in the morning and it resets, it won't reset till 9 o'clock the next morning. All right. So it's like a 24-hour. Shopkick is different. It's just that day. So I could do these deals tonight and then come back in the morning and do them again if they have reset. That's one thing I really like about Shopkick, and the fact that they reset so much that it makes it super easy. It's funny because I know a couple people that do have multiple Shopkicks. I only have one. Oh my God, girl, y'all, I would, man, if I had 2 accounts, that would be tough for me to tackle. You know, and the same thing with Brand Club. Sometimes I don't even want the account that I do have. Like, let alone get another account. But with Shopkick, yes, I only have 1 account. But I have low-key, I ain't gonna lie, thought about getting another one. I ain't even gonna lie. I totally thought about it. And I'm still contemplating it. But it's so good that it's like, I almost feel like I don't have to because I get so many deals just with my account alone. So, I mean, I don't know. It's in the air. Maybe I'll share the clip of how to put a ticket in at the end of this video just in case you didn't see it in my last video because that was a lot longer video. But it's super easy putting tickets in. Don't sleep on putting the tickets in. I put 2 in when I was at the gym. And my tickets from yesterday have cleared. I've gotten everything back. Let me show you yesterday's receipt because I tried to do the Dove Natural. I'll probably just include a screenshot, but I did do the Dove Naturals because I didn't have the Dove Men Care anymore. And so I figured I'm going to get it anyways. I'll try it. If it works, it works. If not, it's okay because I'm going to buy the Dove Men Care. The Men Care is free, so, you know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to include a screenshot of it. Another thing I've noticed with Shopkick is that their history doesn't go back as far as it used to. Like it used to go back pretty far, like the activity tab history or whatever. but it doesn't go back very far. So that's another reason why I'm not too fancy about like getting my scan kicks, or like I used to be, like where I would be getting as many kicks as I could, but because it just kind of bumps everything down on the activity feed, it makes it hard to track my transactions and what I'm doing. And whenever I submit a receipt, I always get a screen. If it's a large receipt, I'll just get a screenshot of that page or that receipt once I've submitted it, just so I can kind of remember what's going on. So that way, if I don't get something back, I kind of know offhand, okay, what I was supposed to get, because the values and the kicks do go up and down. And so it's good to always kind of know what you're supposed to get. All right, so the receipt from yesterday was this one right here. So yeah, so for the men, the Dove Men Care Naturals, I did get the kicks for that, and so I'll do that again today. There goes the Snuggles. I put all this on one receipt, y'all, and then I accidentally put the clicked the act, so I had to put a ticket in for that because it's on another receipt. Other than that, you guys, I'm gonna go in and get some deals. I didn't want this video to get too long, but it's already at like 15 minutes. And so hopefully I can edit it down a lot. And other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, as always. Hope that you guys are having the most amazing day night whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. All right, guys. So a lot of you guys have asked me to do a video on this, and that's why I wanted to add it to this video. So from the home screen, you're going to click the little emoji at the very top left. Then from this screen, we click the little toolbox on the right side. From this next screen, you're going to click questions and support. On this next page, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and just when you think you're there, you're not quite there yet. So you just keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling till you come to the very bottom. You're going to come to this box, and inside this box, it says contact us. Click contact us. And then from this point, you're going to fill out the document form of your missing rebate. All right, it starts off with your email, it goes on to your phone number, your full name, the date of the receipt. The issue is normally receipt issue, or the inquiry type is usually receipt issue. Subject is always the rebate that I'm missing. Keep your description brief. I used to be hella extra, screenshots and everything, they don't care. I just put, this is what I'm missing, and that's it. All right, and I don't do screenshots anymore because I just realized that it just wasn't unnecessary, and it was just too. And to be honest, whether I added a bunch of screenshots or just kept it simple, I still got my kicks back anyway. So it really doesn't matter which way you go with it. If you want to insert screenshots and receipts, then you can do that, but you don't have to. You'll get a confirmation email saying they got your ticket, and usually takes 2 or 3 days. Hope this helps.